Hello everyone at Grow. My name is Pratik Oswal and I'm heading passive funds at Motilal Oswal AMC. Today I'm actually here to talk about a very interesting product, a very interesting fund that we're going to launch in the next few days. So this is the Motilal Oswal Multi-Asset Fund. It also has two passive funds. It has the Gold ETF and it also has the S&P 500. The NFO for this fund starts on the 15th of July and goes on to the 27th of July. So I look forward to participation from all of you, on this very good fund. So before I go into some of the specifics of the fund, I really wanted to talk to all of you about the concept of asset allocation. So asset allocation has today become the gold standard of investing globally. I think it's very important to understand that the reason why asset allocation has become so powerful as a concept is because people have realized that market timing does not work. If you wanted to time the market and time which stock or which sector will do well, I think people have realized that timing does not work, which is why I think a better approach is to actually spread your bets in multiple asset classes and be able to rebalance them on a regular basis. That is asset allocation. Today I think most investors in India end up thinking that they can get diversification by buying multiple mutual funds, but that is actually not true. What we've seen is that mutual funds end up moving moving in the same direction. So today, and which you must have seen over the last 3 to 4 months, regardless if you held say a large cap fund or a mid cap fund or a multi cap fund, everything was down 20, 30, 40%, which is why, we at Motilal Oswal are extremely, we really, I would say, we push asset allocation to all our customers. And ideally, I do feel that that is a great way of creating long-term wealth on a risk-adjusted basis. So that was asset allocation. Let me talk about investing. Today I think a lot of investors, they invest because of, I would say, two major reasons. One is obviously goals. If someone wants to buy a car or want to buy a house, I think, and the other one is if you're saving for retirement. But one really underrated aspect about investing is investing to beat inflation. Nobody really talks about inflation. In fact, what we've learned is that inflation is a true enemy. Today, if you look at inflation over the last 10, 15, 20 years, inflation in India is extremely high. And I think the only asset class that has managed to beat inflation on a consistent basis, or at least over long term, is actually equity. So I think if you look at a new fund, which is the multi-asset fund, it's actually a great fund because this fund is actually targeted towards the conservative segment of the market who are looking for a replacement of their fixed income securities. So anyone looking to sort of not really maximizing return, but who's looking to minimize risk. There's a saying that returns are very uncertain, but risk is quite consistent. So anyone looking to, I would say, have minimized risk at the same time looking for a portfolio that will actually outperform inflation, our multi-asset portfolio is absolutely great. So this portfolio has a combination of not one but five asset classes. It has a combination. It has gold in it. Gold is very popular. Gold is one asset class that is a great hedge for inflation, but also when markets are not doing well, gold is actually ends up doing pretty well. So gold is an asset class. Then we have international equity. The S&P 500 has a 10%, around a 10% exposure in this fund. And when you think about it, the S&P 500 gives you access to two asset classes, not one. It gives you access to international stocks. It also gives you access to the dollar currency as an asset class. Then the other two asset classes are actually are managed dynamically. So this is the equity and the debt part. Because this fund is a conservative fund, this fund will have around 60 to 70% exposure in debt, and the rest, maybe 15 to 20%, will be invested in equity. So I think one of the main tenets of the fund is the fact that I think this fund is really good in terms of risk-adjusted return. So I think one extremely important point is the fact that in this fund, and this is from backtesting it over say 10 to 15 years, what we've learned is with this fund, if you invest in this fund for a minimum of 3 years, there are almost I would say zero cases of you losing money. In fact, there are zero cases of you making less than 4% returns. In fact, there's a 96% probability, 95% probability that you will actually end up making returns of 8% or more with this fund. And I think that is one of the biggest tenets of this fund. In terms of how it compares to, say, a bond index or an equity index, so if you look at equity, there is about a 10 to 12% probability of you actually making less than 4% returns on a 3-year basis. Whereas if you look at bonds, there is actually only a 27% probability of you actually making money of more than 8%. So with this fund, I think the ideally what we've seen is that most investors over the long term have received close to around 10 to 11%, which I think is really good for a conservative investor. And that also, by having multi asset classes in your portfolio, you're also taking advantage of asset allocation. What that means is, the reason why this fund is actually quite stable is because when equity doesn't perform, debt does well, coal does well, international does well, and when some other asset class is not doing badly, then equity is doing good. So I think the idea behind this portfolio is to actually give, I would say, portfolio management in one fund to investors, and which is why we're very excited to have this fund launched with our customers at Grow. Thank you so much for having me, and I look forward to having great traction from all of you. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.